Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are solving another important memory drawing question which is asked repeatedly over the years, and which is: imagine you are an ant on the top of a half eaten pizza inside a pizza box. You can see a Pepsi bottle and a cup outside the box. Draw the scene. So the drill remains the same. We start with perspective lines. In this case, the drawing is 1 point perspective. Moving ahead, we mark the vanishing point and draw the vanishing lines of the box, because in this case you are an ant and you will see the pizza and the box enlarged right in front of you. So, as you can see in the question, there are four highlighting objects which are mentioned, and we should draw these as a priority. That is the half eaten pizza, then the pizza box, Pepsi bottle, and the cup. So, this should be the highlight of your drawing. Let's start with drawing the highlighting objects lightly first, and then with the same vanishing lines from the vanishing point, let's draw the room. In this kind of a perspective drawing, you will have your vanishing point at the lower end of the page, and because you are an ant, you will always see the objects right in front of you enlarged. Once you're done with all the light lines and all the perspective lines, the next step is shading. So imagine a light source and start shading accordingly. Make sure you add these details like the ceiling lights, the Pepsi sticker or the logo, the thickness of the box or the thickness of the window frame, the pizza, the toppings of the pizza. This would add to your image, and these details will make your image look real. Here we come to the end of the video. In these specific drawings, that is the memory drawing, you will be judged for your perspective mainly, then your shade and shadow of the objects, then the proportions of your human figures or your objects, and finally the whole picture. So here we come to the end of the video. I hope this question was helpful. See you with another question next time. Bye.